highest level of priority.
But a heckler tried to disrupt the press conference.
What you people are doing is completely wrong.
After the press conference, the media paid more attention to the heckler than to the medical expert who had flown from New England to attend the press conference. The media interviewed the heckler, who turned out to be an AIDS activist.
The media is playing a big role in this controversy, and I think the media is guilty of censorship because a lot of the points that we are making in this battle are being ignored by the mainstream media.
Similar acts are happening in towns and towns and cities across the country where public health officials are not standing up. The executive, the mayors are not standing up and saying this needs to stop because it's imperiling the health of the public. So I have to applaud Mayor Nagel for doing that.
I feel I have the strong support of the majority of the residents here in Fort Lauderdale, and it really doesn't matter, how I'm attacked. Because of my strong beliefs, I feel that I will continue to advocate the position that is right and that is moral and that is in the interest of lawfulness and public safety. So whatever the consequences, so be it.